Convert 375 thousandths to a fraction in simplest form. Well, how do I turn that decimal, 375 thousandths, to a fraction? Well, the way it sounds, 375 thousandths. So 375 over 1,000. Now you notice this ends in a 5, that ends in a 0, which means these are both divisible by 5. So let's divide the numerator by 5 and the denominator by 5. Now, if you're not sure how to do the division, it's okay to go off to the side and say, all right, well, let's see how many times 5 goes into 375. So 5 doesn't go into 3, but it goes into 37 7 times. 7 times 5 is 35. Now we subtract. Drop down the 2, drop down the 5. 5 goes into 25 5 whole times. 5 times 5 is 25. Subtract, no remainder. Okay? So we end up with, no way, 75. So this is 75, and 1,000 divided by 5 is 200ths. So 75 200ths. And you look at that and say, wait a minute, those are both once again divisible by 5. So we could repeat that process and divide by 5 again. So 75 divided by 5 is going to end up being 15. 200 divided by 5 is going to end up being 40. And you look at this and say, no way. But yeah, way, you can simplify this even more. You could divide both of these by 5 once again. So let's do that. Divide them both by 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 40 divided by 5 is 8. And you end up with 3/8. So after all of that, 375 thousandths ends up being 3/8.